I'm about to spill the tea on the West Coast Trail. Let's go find my map. Organized chaos. My friends and I did it south to north, and I think that's like the superior way to do it. But if you're going the other way, don't fret, like you're still gonna have just as much fun. If you're doing it south to north, get to Thrasher Cove as early as possible because spots are limited, especially during high tide. It's the last camp spot for people coming from north to south, and the first camp spot for people who are going south to north, so it just gets super busy. Favorite campgrounds by far were Vanilla, Cribs, Michigan as one of our last ones. There's a lot in between that are so beautiful and so worth it, but there were just so many people for us that it felt busy and not as magical. There is a campground that we like completely missed, and I would put it on my list if I were to ever do it again. It's called Secaucus. There's like an incredible, beautiful waterfall there. Distance to it is kind of awkward. It's like in between two really far distances or something like that. We met some West Coast trailers that do it every year for the past 15 years, and they always stop there, and there's like a reason for it. Pack lighter than you expect. If you have packed your bag, half it, because you really don't need that much stuff. My pack was 50 pounds, which is absolutely unacceptable. I literally died because the ladders are hard. The ladders at first are super fun and exciting and different, but then there's like this one section, it just keeps going. You have to go all the way down. It's like you're going down into a dungeon of the forest, and then you have to go all the way up. 45 minutes to an hour of just climbing ladders. You want your pack as light as possible. Best of luck.